Welcome back to Short Bus Diaries After Hours. This is Flamin' Hot Cheetos Street Corn. Delicious.
Guys, welcome back to another Short Bus After Hours. As every after hour starts, always we're here at Walmart. Obviously, if you haven't watched the other Short Bus Diaries episodes, you need to go watch some of those first to kind of catch up on what's going on. But we are in Colorado, and we are almost to one of our boat ramps tonight. We're going to be camping out at the boat ramp. It's got some dispersed camping areas around this boat ramp, some public use areas, and we are going to be cooking something up really special for you guys tonight. Some carne asada with some Mexican street corn. We are doing some carne asada steaks where you can kind of build your own tortilla or build your own fajitas out of. See, we're trying to do something here. We're trying to do something.
I'm trying to do something too here, all right? I'm not sure what that is.
It's funny, everyone at the meetup that we went to said that Steven was their least favorite character, and I believe it. Walmart flank steaks look pretty good. They did not have skirts where we were at, but flank steaks were actually looked pretty dang good. We're gonna get these guys marinating while we are setting up the bus. We literally just rolled in here and started pulling the stuff out just to get these steaks marinating. So of course, if you're making red beers, you might have some of this stuff right here on hand, but it's also great for cooking incredibly. So it's one of my favorites to toss in there. Next, we have a little bit of onion powder, some salt, some kind of seasoned salt stuff, and some pepper. We got some coarse ground pepper. Just gonna hit it with that. That's cool. Using a kitchen knife to open a comb.
It wasn't opening.
We chopped the onions. We've got the onions going. We're just going to let those simmer for a while. We just added a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're just going to let those simmer. We got our pot on pretty low heat, and I'm just kind of going to let these go while I kind of prep the rest of our food. We could not find fresh corn. Unfortunately, we do have some frozen corn. We're hoping it works. We may have to warm that up where if you had fresh corn at home, you probably would get to skip that step. But anyways, there we go. We're just gonna get these onions kind of rolling for our carne asada. And I love sauteed onions.
If you're a fan of red beers, go check out our link below here. We have a new line of merch coming out just dedicated solely to our favorite way of preparing a beer. I mean, none of these trips would happen if it wasn't support and love from you guys. Keep it up, guys. That was like...
No, that was almost good.
Almost good.
Almost good. I think what he was trying to say is
Thank you.
the link below for our red beer t-shirts, which we're super stoked about. And if you want to get one, there's only a limited amount available. So go get them before they're gone.
All right, we got one of our steaks done. All right, so all we got to do, I'll cook the corn. When I'm done with the corn, we'll coat it in that, and then chili powder.
That's disgusting. Are you serious? You're not
Yes.
pulling my leg.
No, that's what we're gonna do.
I'm gonna do you, but I'm gonna do me afterwards. Right? Because I got something exciting.
We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take some chili powder, and we're gonna put it over the top of all of it. And that's why it's kind of red, right?
This is actually how they make street corn.
That is how street corn is done in Mexico. Hecho en Mexico.
Highly suspect. I'm gonna make it better. Don't
Okay.
worry.
No, just do that. That's tried and true method. That's how they do it there.
Why would I do that?
That's how they do it.
It's not the point of cooking to always improve. I don't like that, so I'm gonna spice it up myself because that sounds okay.
Okay, whatever.
We need some better
whatever.
stuff.
Just
No.
spice it up yourself then.
No, drink some whiskey and chill. Okay. Let's go find some stuff to make it spicy. All right. I know I left it somewhere in here. Next. Oh. I hit it, so no one will take it. Flamin' hot Cheeto, crusted corn. A lot better than chili powder. Let's do this. All right. I do not agree.
corn.
I don't agree with your method. I'm gonna show you how to really do it.
Okay. Wow, you just, oh my God.
Oh man, dude, that's creamy.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
And you're telling me that's better than chili powder?
Yeah, because this will actually hide the flavor of the mayonnaise and sour cream you put on here. Chili powder, I can still taste it. Welcome back. This is Short Bus Diaries after.
Welcome back to the Short Bus Diaries.
Welcome back. This is After Hours with the Short Bus. Welcome back to the After Hours with Short Bus Diaries. This is Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Yeah, I know, I can't.
You got it.
He starts laughing in the back, I just can't.
Welcome back to Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Welcome back to my.
Just say welcome back to Short Bus Diaries After Hours.
Welcome back to Short Bus Diaries After Hours. I got it. Welcome back to Short Bus Diaries After Hours. This is Flamin' Hot Cheetos, street corn. Delicious.
I don't know if you guys remember the ruffle reduction that we did in Volume 1, but this is very similar, and I think this might top the chicken we did there. Oh my gosh.
Need more Cheeto on there.
I do need more Cheeto in there. I mean, that's not even corn at this point. That is a Cheeto with sour cream. All right, here we go. Going in.
Tell me your thoughts on my new creation. First words. How does it hit you?
I mean, I don't really want to have thoughts because I just want to eat it. It's so good.
That's all I needed.
Wow. That's incredible. It's got just enough zing, and it leaves just enough in the stash where I can still have that flavor going around all night.
Oh, that's good. That's good. See, you like that Cheeto. Hides the flavor nicely. Makes it palatable.
I'm gonna go lie, that's great. Y'all need to do that at home.
That's actually so good.
You're welcome for another great invention from Uncle Steve's cookbook. Peace.